Is your peace lily constantly drooping, turning yellow, or just not blooming at all? You're not alone. And yes, there's a way to fix it. In this video, I'll show you the top mistakes killing your peace lily and exactly what to do instead. So, guys, let's bring your plant back to life. Hey, plant lovers! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Jules, and today we're diving into one of the most loved yet misunderstood houseplant, the peace lily. If yours is constantly drooping, wilting, or just refusing to bloom, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's get right into what's going wrong and how to make it right. First mistake, overwatering or underwatering. Peace lilies hate sitting in wet soil. If the roots stay too wet, they rot. Use your finger. If the top ends of soil is dry, that's your watering signal. Now, on the flip side, underwatering will make the leaves droop dramatically. Don't panic though, peace lilies are drama queens. They bounce back quickly with a good drink. Mistake number two, bad lighting. Peace lilies prefer bright and direct light. If they are in a dark corner or right under the sun, they will suffer. No blooms, probably not enough light. Brown scarred leaves, too much light. Find a bright spot near a window with a filtered light, and they will thank you. Next is soil and potting mistakes. These plants like well draining soil, so use peat based mixes with perlite or orchid bark. And don't forget the pot. Always use one with drainage holes. If water has nowhere to go, root rot is almost guaranteed. Next is humidity and temperature. Peace lilies love humidity. They are tropical plants after all. If your home is dry, especially with air conditioning, mist the leaves or use a plant modifier. They also hate cold drafts, so keep them away from air conditioning vents or windows in winter. Next common mistakes is when and how to fertilize your peace lilies and repotting. Feed your peace lilies during growing season with a balanced water soluble fertilizer once a month, or you can use some organic homemade fertilizer like rice water, banana peel water solution, or the onion skin solution. And if it's root bound or has outgrown its path, repot in a spring to give it fresh soil and space. To sum it up, the key to a thriving peace lily is all about balance. Not too much water, enough light, good drainage, and a little humidity love. Treat it right and it will reward you with gorgeous green leaves and elegant white blooms. Guys, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss more plant care tips. Got any peace lily questions or plant struggle? Drop them in the comments below, and I'd love to help. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. God bless.